Welcome back to the video. In this video we're going to be getting set up for webflux projects. So what we want to do is basically come to our initializer with Spring, which is at start.spring.io. So we're going to give it a group name of banking, and the artifact name is going to be basically banking demo. So the description is basically going to be learning webflux. Okay, and we're going to choose the Java version 11. Next thing we want to do is choose our dependencies. We're going to choose add dependency, go down to a reactive web, and I'm going to go to Lombok, and that's going to be it for now. I'm going to hit generate. And the next video we'll be implementing it in our project. If you like the video, subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.